Hi guys, are you looking for the best smart home gadgets? Then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the best smart home gadgets on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading, reviews, and orders. Number 1. LEVOIT Smart Humidifiers are an excellent addition to any bedroom, combining sleek design with smart features to create the perfect environment for relaxation and comfort. These humidifiers offer a wide range of benefits, including improved air quality, easier breathing, and a more restful sleep experience. One of the standout features of the LEVOIT Smart Humidifiers is their Wi-Fi connectivity. With the ability to control the device through a smartphone app or voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, you can easily adjust settings like humidity levels, timers, and lighting without having to leave your bed. Number 2. The SR Sunrise Black Square Rainfall Shower is a luxurious and modern addition to any bathroom, designed to elevate the shower experience. With its sleek, black square design, it offers a contemporary aesthetic that complements both minimalist and high-end bathroom styles. The large, square rainfall shower head provides a gentle and soothing water flow, mimicking the sensation of a natural rainfall, which makes for an incredibly relaxing shower experience. It typically comes with all the necessary hardware, making it a convenient upgrade to your bathroom. Number 3. The GooingTop LED Grow Light is a powerful and efficient lighting solution designed for indoor gardening and plant growth. With advanced LED technology, it provides the perfect spectrum of light to support the different stages of plant development, from germination to flowering. The full spectrum of light mimics natural sunlight, promoting healthier, faster plant growth and improving overall yields. Number 4. A bedside table lamp for bedroom is the perfect blend of functionality and style, offering both illumination and a decorative touch to your nighttime routine. Typically designed with a compact size and sleek aesthetic, this type of lamp fits comfortably on a nightstand or bedside table, providing soft, ambient light to create a cozy, relaxing atmosphere in the bedroom. The lamp can come in a variety of styles to complement your bedroom decor. Number 5. The Sharp AV2500
Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day.
Cleaning solution that brings convenience and efficiency to your home. Equipped with advanced AI technology, this robot vacuum is designed to navigate your space with precision, mapping your home and adapting to its layout for optimal cleaning performance. It uses smart sensors to detect dirt, debris,
and now, with Ultra Clean Mode, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean Mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI robot also features a bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to a month. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice.
Their home cleaning routine.